Alright, today's video is short and sweet. I got 3 weeks left of college before I take a break. So BB8 hasn't been worked on in a little while, but I'm gonna give a lot of time to it after college. So today I got a little surprise for you guys. You guys want one of these? You want to print one of your own of these? It's on Thingiverse right now. Go get it. The link's down below. Print your own. Send me pics. If you don't know what you're doing and you get stuck, just comment. Just let me know. Send me email. You don't know my email. Just send me a comment and then I can help you. Just do it. Okay. Bye.